Alright everyone, yeah, as you've read the actual title, yep, I'm making an indie game. So, if you guys probably saw my view, which you probably didn't, so that's one view at the time of recording this. It was just Stickman Ragdoll project, but now it's like turned into an indie project since, yeah, that was kind of my dream game. So, yeah, let's start indie devlog 1 start. Alright, so first, like any person, we're going to show you the gameplay first, and then I'll explain how I did it. Oh, and there's one more thing you can't forget. Oh, if you wonder what I've added, well, I just had a bit of pew-pew. Now that we got all of that gameplay stuff out of the way, we can talk about how I did it. The first thing was learning how to make a gun. And well, I looked up a tutorial showing it easy to add a gun, and I definitely did not bother to look, and definitely did not click this button to get the source code. I just definitely followed along with the tutorial and didn't even bother with this. Yeah, let's move on. So the next thing I added was crushers. If you touch the red piece, you die. So it was pretty easy to add them. So basically, first I added box color and set it as trigger to be true. And then after I wrote script, and basically whenever you touch it, it sets all of your hinge joints to have the force of 0, making you fall over, making you dead. Well, the last thing we have to cover is the particles, made with Uni's particle system. So, yep, I just made some blood particles and then attach them to a script. So when the player gets hit by an object or dies, then those appear. Alright, now, basically, that's everything covered. Now there's stuff like post-processing, but that's pretty obvious and stuff was pretty easy to implement, not really worth covering. So yeah. You guys can just exit out the video if you want to. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video, live stream or devlog. Peace out.